Yeah, I did another t-shirt design for my company for 2020 for the workers. It's a lot of Achilles heel strength right there, standing like that because the chair's behind me. I'm like all over the place. But yeah, nothing but raving reviews from the office. The little toilet paper swoosh, they loved it. They ate it up. Not the t-shirt, but they liked it. Anyways, what's up guys, Joey Guthrie here with JG Multimedia, and today we're going to be talking about the new sky replacement tool in Photoshop. Now this is a new feature that they've added, and we're going to just jump on into it. It's going to be a quick tip Tuesday, so we'll get you in and out of here incredibly fast, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. So to replace the sky, once you have your image in Photoshop, you're going to go up to Edit, and then Sky Replacement. So once the Sky Replacement tab pops up, you're able to go in and check out the different sky presets that they offer. They have sunset skies, cloudy skies, blue skies, all kinds of different skies. And you can check out any of those skies and see if they fit your photo. However, if you can't happen to find one, you're also able to add your own sky from a photo that you might have. So if you click the little plus sign at the bottom of the tab, it's going to bring up your files, and you're able to search in your files and upload the sky pictures that you might have. So once you drop in either a preset sky that they offer or you upload your own sky image, you're able to then go in and adjust the different settings to make it look more natural. So you're able to shift in the edge as well as fade in the edge of that sky to make it look more natural and kind of make it maybe not such a hard horizon line. You're also able to adjust things like the brightness of the sky as well as the temperature, again, just to make it maybe match the foreground a little bit more. And then kind of the cool thing is that you're able to scale the sky that you've inserted. Now this is good because if a sky image that you've dropped in maybe has a little bit of a foreground, you can scale that out and zoom in more on the sky rather than adding a landscape as well to your sky. But you know, that might look good if you kind of have a background landscape to the foreground landscape and kind of blend it in. It might look cool. But scale in on the sky if you need to. But you're also able to then flip the sky if whatever reason. I can't think of a sky that you'd want to flip, but you know, you could always do that. So once you have your sky adjustments how you like them and the settings look all natural, you can click OK, and it's actually going to output these settings to layers within a group. So you can go in that group and unhide and hide the different setting layers and see how they affect the photo, the sky, and see maybe things need further adjusted or maybe they're fine. But once you're all done, it's in a group, so you could just click the drop down and hide everything, and if you need to work further, but you're able to export it then. And as you can see, my before and after photos are pretty astonishing, and Photoshop, Adobe, they do a great job of making this tool incredibly simple to use, but also fairly customizable. So they really did us a solid here and made our jobs a little bit easier. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you learned how to replace skies in your photos. You guys could do some pretty cool stuff with this. So I'm excited. I'm excited to check it out and maybe even use it at my workplace. I don't know. But if you guys have any inquiries or questions, feel free to reach out to me through my website or comment down below. Also, check out my social media and subscribe. It helps me out. Like the video if you want. If it helped you out, please don't dislike it, because then it's like it's a slap in the face. But that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you maybe next week. I don't know. I'll try to be consistent, but yeah, bye.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.